A very warm good morning, my dear students. Hope you all are doing great at home and enjoying your online classes. So, today again I'm here with lesson number 19, Adverb of Grammar. So, at first, we will revise what is adverb. The adverb adds to the meaning of a verb and it tells how, where, and when an action is done. You know very well that adverbs add more meaning to the verb and it also tells how, where, and when an action is done. Now let's move to the exercises. So today we will going to do exercise 3 and the question is underline the when adverb in these sentences. When adverb tells when an action is done. So, the first sentence is she will visit us soon. Here you have to underline the when adverb. So, we will ask question when. When she will visit us? Yes, the answer is soon and the soon is when adverb. Next sentence is he came late. So question is when he came? Yes, he came late. The next sentence is we should sleep early. So question is raised when we should sleep? Yes, early is the answer. The next one is don't talk now. When not to talk? Now. Yes, now is the answer and this is when adverb. Next sentence is I did not go to the dance class yesterday. Here, the question is raised when you did not go to dance class? Yes, yesterday is the right answer. Next sentence is the shop is closed today. When the shop is closed, the answer is today. Yes, the next sentence is I am going to visit my granny tomorrow. So question is raised when you are going to visit your granny? Yes, tomorrow. The next sentence is what's for dinner tonight, mom? So here, what is the when adverb? Yes, tonight. Because this word shows when the action is done. Now let's move to the next question. The question is underline the correct adverb. Here in this question, two adverbs are given and you have to select the correct one. The first sentence is Sarah is playing happily or neatly. So the right answer is Sarah is playing happily. Yes. The next sentence is you should not talk rudely or untidily. So the right answer is you should not talk rudely. The next sentence is please talk badly or quietly. Yes, what will be the answer? Please talk quietly. The next sentence is the old man walks loudly or slowly. So while talking about walk, so walk should be slowly. So the answer is the old man walks slowly. The next sentence is hold the plate carelessly or carefully. And the right answer is yes, carefully. Hold the plate carefully. The next sentence is it was a holiday yesterday or tomorrow. Here was is given in this sentence, so was we will use in which tense? Yes, in past. So which word belongs to past, yesterday or tomorrow? Yes, yesterday. So the answer is it was a holiday yesterday. The next sentence is there will be a holiday yesterday or tomorrow. And now in this sentence will be is used and we will use will be in future tense. And which word belongs to future tense? Yesterday or tomorrow? Yes, tomorrow. So the answer is there will be a holiday tomorrow. The next sentence is we are going out or then for dinner. So The right answer is out. We are going out for dinner. The next sentence is our team played badly or well and won the match. Here we are talking about won the match. So for that, team played well. Yes, the answer is our team played well and won the match. The next sentence is our team played badly or well and lost the match. Here in this sentence we are talking about the lost the match. So our team played badly and lost the match. Now let's move to the next exercise, and the question is fill in the blanks with suitable adverbs. Here in this question what you have to do, you have to fill the blanks with suitable adverbs. The first sentence is where are you going dash, and the options are given now or yesterday. Here are is given, so are we used in present tense, and which word belongs to present tense, now or yesterday? Yes, now. So the answer is where are you going now, because yesterday we used in past tense. The next sentence is please come dash. Options are given here or there. So when we talk about come, so the answer will be here. Please come here, and for there we will say please go there. The next sentence is don't enter the hall, wait dash, outside or inside. Here in this question you can see the instruction is given don't enter. So for that, which option will be correct? Yes, outside. So the answer is don't enter the hall, wait outside. The next sentence is you all acted dash. Options are given brilliantly or up. So this is obvious. You all acted brilliantly. The next sentence is I get up dash in the morning. Early or easily? Get up early. Yes, you know that. I get up early in the morning. The next sentence is the children were dancing dash, and the options are given merrily or fastly. So here which option is suitable? Yes, the children were dancing merrily. The next sentence is they were busy dash, and the options are given tomorrow and then. Here you can see were is used in this sentence. So were shows what? Yes, the past tense, and which word belongs to past, tomorrow or then? Yes, then, because tomorrow shows future. So the answer is they were busy then. The next sentence is the train will arrive dash, and the options are given never or soon. So here the word is used will, and will shows future, and here the options are given never or soon. So which word shows future? Yes, soon. So the answer is soon. The train will arrive soon. The next sentence is Mona opened the gift dash, and the options are given clearly or excitedly. Yes, this is obvious. Mona opened the gift excitedly. The next sentence is they ran dash to catch the train, and the options are given slow or fast. So for catching the train, they ran, yes, fast. They ran fast to catch the train. The next sentence is it is sunny dash, and the options are given tomorrow or today. Here is given, so is we used in present tense, and the words are given tomorrow or today. So which word shows the present? Yes, today, because tomorrow shows future. So the answer is it is sunny today. And the last sentence is the sky is dash and the options are given above or below. Now tell me the sky is? Yes, the answer is above. The sky is above. So this is it for today. In our next class, we will continue with the next lesson. So till then, stay safe at home and enjoy your online classes. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care.